everybody, it's Aisa, not Asia. Okay, and I am finally back. Anyway, okay, so I have an old video, and I think that it is called "When Natural Deodorant Goes Wrong" or like something like that, right? And it was basically I had tried Tom's of Maine and Kiss My Face. And a lavender scent for Tom's and a cucumber melon, I believe it was, for the Kiss My Face, right? And either one of them, both of them, the combination, it messed up my armpits. They were, really pink and like leathery and all of that. I'll just put the video link up here. I'm not sure what site it's going to pop up on, but Okay, so you can check that video out to see exactly what happened to my armpits. And I had to sit and I had to, sit out on deodorant for a while and just use coconut oil until my armpits healed back up. So I had actually gone back to just using regular deodorant. And I buy so much deodorant. Hold on. Let me see how much deodorant I got just over here in this little corner. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, I buy a lot of deodorant. It's kind of my favorite thing to shop for because it's cheap, and sometimes I like to go on shopping sprees even though I'm poor. But yeah, I have not been buying any deodorant since I got this new product that was sent to me. So since that video, a lot of people commented on different kinds of deodorants that they think that I should use that will work better, or blah, 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 blah. That I should try things that don't have any baking soda because they believe that baking soda is what's giving the reaction of the burning and all that. I wasn't sure. I just went back to regular deodorant, but I did start to feel like I could feel like a little lump in my armpit, and just like I felt like it was just clogged and like not healthy. So I did want to go back to trying some natural healthy things. I did already let you guys know in that video that coconut oil does not keep me fresh long enough, although it does, it can work for small periods of time. And there was some other natural things that I wanted to get into, but lots of people have been contacting me to try their deodorants and things like that, and this is just one of those companies, right? So I decided to take these guys up on their offer, and this is NAKD Thai Crystal Deodorant. So let me see. You guys see that? Yeah. Okay. And it's got the little one and the big one, and you see the big one, little one. It says it's made in Thailand. Okay. So this is supposed to be all natural. It says that our natural body deodorant is made of 100% natural mineral salts from the heart of Thailand. It neutralizes the bacteria that causes odor without clogging your pores. Good, because that's the issue that I've been feeling like I've been having, right? It's effective for up to 24 hours. It dries instantly and leaves no white residue. Yes. Because that white residue is stank, okay? It will not stain your clothes, and just like all of our products, it is not tested on animals. I don't know what other products they have because, I'm not all that investigative, but we're good with them not testing on animals. So it's 100% environmentally friendly, 100% cruelty-free, and 100% sustainable. It says the ingredients are potassium alum, natural mineral salts. Do not apply to broken skin, and if irritation occurs, discontinue use. Okay, so this is going to be a fake unboxing because I unboxed this already. I feel like I started probably using this a month ago. So yeah. Here's a little box. I just put everything back in so it can look cute for y'all, right? And we got this little baggie. And what is this? Dear valued customer, blah, 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 giving back. Thanks for your business. We're a small family-owned business. Every order we receive means the world to us. If you love the product, we'd love to hear your honest feedback and review. If you could please leave us a genuine review on our Amazon listing. So yes, you can get this on Amazon, and I will have a link down in the description box for you to check that out, right? Or purchase it if you are so inclined to do so. All right, so with only one ingredient, it is naked, and it is clearly just one ingredient, right? So I have seen these kind of rock salt deodorant things before, and I'm like, yeah, I'm not into all that new age sort of stuff. But figured I would give it a try anyway because I mean, what could it hurt? Okay, so this is like a little instruction uh, paper. It's not a pamphlet, but instructions on how to apply it. So um, let us look at it first, okay? So cute little baggie, isn't it? It's nice and satin. This is Naked. No, it doesn't say Naked. It says Vasari. So I guess that is the mother company of the whole thing. So it has the bigger one and also the travel size, and this is cute, and I really do carry it inside of my backpack or purse or whatever it is. I carry it in my backpack or purse or whatever it is that I'm carrying things in for that day. Okay, so the little travel one is great, and it did come in handy for me the one day that I had to hit these pits while I was out in the streets. Okay, so Naked Tide Crystal Deodorant. 100% natural mineral salt. Now, it does say to not apply to broken skin. I did shave my pits for y'all today because I'm not really always into that, and sometimes I just kind of let it grow out. But yeah, I gave you a little bit of respect. I did some womanscaping for you guys, and I believe that I may have I felt a little burning with the soap, so it may be some broken skin, and we're gonna see how that's gonna go. Okay, so we're just gonna get all up, all close and personal. It does have like a little twisting thing on the bottom so that you can bring the deodorant up or down, just like with a traditional deodorant. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it because it seems like it's blurred, but I guess it's not. It looks like it may be gelatinous or like soft and jelly-like, but it is not. See, it's hard like a little rock. Can't squeeze it at all or anything like that. Okay, so let's get into actually using this deodorant, okay? The directions say that you should wet it, okay? So you have to wet it. I have already done so. I don't know if you can see the glistening going on, but I went and I ran it under the water in the sink. And I wet my pits a little bit too, just because it glides a lot better when there's enough moisture. But you don't want it to be too wet because then it will never dry. Okay, so it is moist, and you are supposed to rub it under each pit 25 to 30 times. Now, I know that seems like a lot, but you know what? You're just going to have to squeeze that in because it ain't that long, okay? It is not that long. Okay, so here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, and that probably was more than 30 because I'm always, and I'm still doing it. Why am I still doing it? Okay, this was the pit that I really have the most issues with. Not as far as scarring or anything like that, but as far as funk, okay? This armpit stinks much worse than the other one, so if it can get past this pit, that's doing some real work, right? So I have always paid more attention during my experiments with this deodorant to this armpit in particular, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and I usually keep on going until it starts to get dry and pull on my skin. And I have stopped before once. Yeah, so far beyond the amount that I need. Okay, so how did this work for me? Like I said, I've been using it for probably about a month. I have done everything that I could possibly think to do with it. It has been pretty cold in California, at least it's cold to me, right? But I did get in a workout with it, and I have a little bit of footage of that. Okay, y'all, so finally got around to a day to exercise with this deodorant. Okay, so the logistics of it. I did not put the deodorant on this morning. I actually took a shower last night, and I put it on last night. I went to work this morning about 6:30, got off at about 10:30. It's probably 12 or 1 now because I was messing around with my websites and stuff. I came to the Baldwin Hill Steps in California. You don't know what that is? It's just like 259 or 79 or I don't know, some large number of concrete stairs, some of them as high as a foot tall. and it's a very steep hill going up and down. So I hope nobody on the steps are on witness protection, but I don't know. Can you see it? Hopefully you can, because I can't see you because the sun's shining in my eye right now. But yes, so the moment of truth. Actually, tank top, right? But it is windy, even though it's sunny. And I wore a jacket, and the jacket would trap in additional heat. So if the deodorant is still working, then okay. I just took it off. Like I was saying, the jacket was supposed to trap in additional heat. So if the deodorant is still working, then it's gonna be a go. So let's smell this, okay? It is all good, guys. Okay. Okay, so that was me at the stairs in Baldwin Hills. I did it multiple times to make sure that I was sweating and would be, naturally have a little bit of a funk to me, and I didn't smell anything. I had also told my coworkers at work about it. I work part-time at Amazon. Amazon, even during this coronavirus thing, is hiring people and getting lots and lots of orders, and we are being worked so much harder than normally. So it's already kind of grueling and a job where you would definitely sweat. It is really a sweat inducing job right now, and it has been holding up wonderfully. I did not take a picture of my of my coworker smelling my armpit, but he did. I was like, smell my armpit. He was like, well, I'm like, no, smell the stink one. Smell the one that be stinking. He was like, I don't smell anything. And I'm like, it doesn't keep me always so dry, but it doesn't have me, dripping wet and all that stuff either. But I wasn't sure if it was good at fighting odor. And then I realized that it was. So all in all, I've been using it for about a month. I have used it at work. I've used it on extremely heavy days of work, really really sweating. I've used it where I had worn a sweatshirt to work and no shirt underneath it, so I couldn't take it off, so I was burning up, scorching hot, sweating, everything. It held up there. It held up during a workout, an outdoor workout that was pretty grueling as well. So just like all in all, I dig it. Okay, I probably would love it a lot more, even more than I actually do love it. If it had a scent, because I'm just like all about the scents and all that. You can see my little deodorant collection and all. So I'm always there and I'm always smelling the deodorant. So it would be cool to, smell cutesy tootsy, but smelling like nothing is fine with me too. I am definitely recommending this, and I did not do it in haste. I did test this product and I worked the hell out of it, okay? My armpits are the right color that they're supposed to be. They are healthy. They are clean. They are pure. And I smell good, okay? So I have worn this deodorant for, long periods of time, an entire day without having to reapply. I have only reapplied once since I started using it, and I can't even remember the real circumstance on why it was. I do remember. I went to a shift at like 4 something in the morning, and then I did another shift at like 6 something or something like that. There was time in between, and I believe I exercised in between both of those shifts. So just like, so much of a time span, and the exercise, and a really, really, work intensive job. I did reapply at work, and that was just that one particular day. But just on a day-to-day basis of hard working and hard sweating, I have not had to reapply. It does keep me from smelling bad and dry most of the time. I do still, I have felt wetness before, but it's not like, it's not disgusting wetness. I can't really describe it, but it works. It just works. And just knowing that it is so natural and so pure, and it's not putting any chemicals into my body, into my bloodstream, just makes me feel way better about the whole entire thing. So I actually think that this is my, it may be my forever deodorant, especially since it seems like it's gonna last forever. I I rub it on every day, and I don't think that I put even the slightest dent into it. And then I still also have the travel one, so I think it's gonna last for a very very long time. So if you're spending a lot of money on these commercial deodorants and things like that. You can cut out all of those costs to get something that's very, very long lasting, very, very natural, and it works. Okay, so if you are interested, like I said, the links are down in the description box if you would like to purchase it on Amazon or on the website. And if I have a promo code, it will be down there as well. And just click on the links and go and purchase, and let me know what you think about it. If you have already tried this, how did you like it? Let me know down in the comments if you have already tried the NAKD deodorant products, if you liked it, if it worked for you, how it went, and all that sort of stuff. And if you have never tried it and you do wind up purchasing it based on my review, let me know how it went for you. And that's basically it. I love you guys. I'm so happy to be back, and I can't wait to talk to you again. Bye.